Mastering Restaurant Reservations, a practical English conversation guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to dive into the world of restaurant reservations. We'll practice useful phrases, expressions, and role-play scenarios to help you get comfortable making reservations in English. So, whether you're a student, a traveler, or simply a lover of languages, this lesson is designed for you. In this section, we're going to explore the basic structure of making a reservation over the phone. Generally, there are 4 essential steps involved. 1. Greeting and introduction. Here, you mention who you are and why you're calling. 2. Specifying the details. This is when you provide the specifics of your reservation, like the date, time, and number of people. 3. Confirming the reservation. The restaurant will usually repeat your information for confirmation. 4. Ending the conversation. Finally, you thank the restaurant staff and end the conversation. Let's take a closer look at these steps with some examples. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time for some role-play scenarios. This is where you'll get the chance to practice making reservations in different situations. Scenario 1. Making a reservation for 2. In this scenario, you're making a dinner reservation for 2. Here's how the conversation might go. You. Hello, this is your name. I'd like to make a dinner reservation. Restaurant. Certainly, when would you like to book for? You. I'm hoping to book a table for 2 this Friday at 7 p.m. Please. Scenario 2. Changing an existing reservation. This scenario involves changing the details of a reservation you've previously made. You. Hello, this is your name. I have a reservation for Friday at 7 p.m. I was wondering if I could change it to Saturday at 8 p.m. instead? Scenario 3. Making a large party reservation. In this scenario, you're making a reservation for a large group. You. Hi. My name is your name. I would like to make a reservation for a party of 10 for this Sunday at 1 p.m. for lunch. Next up, we have a list of useful phrases and expressions that you can use when making a reservation. These phrases can help you make your conversation smoother and more natural. Making a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. Can I book a table for? Changing a reservation. Could I change my reservation? I need to adjust my booking details. Confirming a reservation. Could you please confirm the booking details? So, my reservation is confirmed for? Canceling a reservation. Unfortunately, I need to cancel my reservation. I won't be able to make it. Can I cancel my booking? And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has been useful in helping you learn how to make, change, and cancel restaurant reservations in English. With practice, these phrases and scenarios will become second nature. So, keep practicing and you'll be making reservations with confidence in no time. As always, thanks for watching and happy learning.